Do you know the proper uses of the modal must? No, right? Okay. In this video, I will clarify you step by step the proper uses of the modal must with a lot of examples. So stay tuned with me, and my name is Indrajit and you are watching Iconic Indro. By the way, if you are watching me at first time, then please subscribe this channel Iconic Indro, because in this channel you will get a lot of English related videos and also English grammar related videos and also English vocabulary related videos. Those videos I have already uploaded in this channel, so you can check it out in the playlist section of this channel. Okay, and also I have uploaded a lot of study tips so that you can improve yourself by those study tips if you follow that, and also a lot of English compositions related videos I have uploaded in this channel, and the most important and interesting topics, that is English conversations with the foreign tutors. I have uploaded a lot of English conversations videos with the foreign tutors. So if you have not checked it out, please go to the description and click on the link to check those videos, because I think you will learn how to talk with English native tutors by watching those videos. Okay, now I am going to tell you the proper and exact uses of the modal must. The first use of the modal must is making strong determination or making iron determination. Suppose you make an iron determination to do something, so this is the strong determination of you. So in this case you can use the modal must. For example, I must crack the examination. I must crack the examination. So this is an iron determination or a strong determination of mine. So in this case I can use the modal must to express my strong determination or iron determination. Okay. The second use of the modal must is to express certainty. To express certainty. When you express the certainty that you can think that something must happen or something which happens in 100%, then you can use the modal must. For example, there must be someone who cares you lot. There must be someone who cares you lot. So this sentence shows the certainty that there must be someone who cares you lot. Okay, so in this case you can use the modal must to express your certainty. Okay. Now the third use of the modal must is expressing obligation or to express duty. When you express some obligations or some duties, then you can use the modal must. Remember, when you have to express some obligations or some duties, then you can use the modal must. For example, you must respect your elders. You must respect your elders. So this sentence shows the obligation or duty of you that you have to respect your elders. So in this case you can use the modal must to express your obligation or duty. Okay. Now the fourth use of the modal must is taking an oath. Taking an oath. So when you take an oath or when you swear something, then you can use the modal must. For example, I swear that I must do it. I swear that I must do it. So in this sentence you can see the word swear, that means taking oath, is used here. So in this case, generally you have to use the modal must. Okay. So in today's video, what we learn? We learn the proper uses of the modal must. Okay. So after this video, you will never be hesitated while using this modal, because I have already clarified you the proper and exact uses of the modal must. Got it? If you have any doubt regarding this, please feel free to send messages in my Instagram account. The user ID is iconic_indro. I have given the link and also the user ID in this description and also here. You can send messages regarding this whenever you think. Okay. And if you got my lesson, please comment below that I got lesson writing this. Okay. And if this video is productive and helpful to you, please give a like, because it motivates me to upload a lot of interesting videos like this. And share to your friends. And if you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel iconic_indro, because you will be updated a lot of interesting as well as English related videos. So stay safe, stay happy. See you soon in my next video. Bye.